Oh, outside X stump played with the leg and took a single. Amar Zaini was quite quick running up to the wicket.
Now Ahmed Jaini facing the next delivery. Played a defensive shot straight to the fielder. No change to the scoreboard.
We have a celebrity in the pavilion now, Mr. Manish Kakkar. He is a celebrity figure for our club.
Yes.
I would like to request Amar Malli to put the camera on him because our viewers wanted to see him as well.
Yes, that's true. मनीष काकर साहब आप थोड़ा कैमरा के सामने चले जाइए.
I would like to request him to wave his hand. Yes, he's a celebrity. He has got a vast experience in cricket and commentary, and you can say everything.
Everything, yes, that's true. And he is very experienced, and I think we need a couple of qualified, experienced guys like him in the commentary box. Live actions you can see on TV, and you can follow all live actions. But what we need is to somebody to sit and speak nicely and make you people entertained. So that's why I think we want Manish Kakkar also to come here, but after some time maybe, because he is ducking down all the way around and yes. So
It's so nice of him because he is living so far from the ground and they didn't have a match, so it was so nice of him. He could come to the ground to help us. That was a nice gesture from Mr. Manish Kakkar.
So Manish Kakkar has got some printouts.
As the end of over, the score moves to 40 for loss of 1 wicket. End of 6 over. Jeet is on strike. Jusman from the forest end. He is continuing from the forest end. He is having his 4th over. The umpire is showing the bowling power play is continue. They want to take the bowling power play now. Oh, but a short ball wanted to play on the up but couldn't connect the ball, went to the fielder. Raj, what do you think about the weather today?
Weather is fantastic as of now, but the weather forecast said from last couple of days, and also I checked yesterday before going to sleep that it was supposed to rain, but luckily we don't have any rain, and it's a fantastic weather for cricket. And yes, and we have Prashant Dara at camera now, and he's going to focus the camera as wherever the ball goes, and it's a good view. You will get a good view from now on. But usually we keep the camera still, and we don't move camera all around the park, all around the ground. But now we have some enthusiastic guys like Prashant Dara, who is turning the camera wherever the ball goes, and it will be fantastic to see online whichever part of the world you are sitting. And now we have Manish Kakkar ji. Manish Kakkar sahab, today Fjord A match, and do you have Fjord B match this week?
Yes, we have Fjord B on Sunday.
Okay, so
and it is a very crucial match because this match is going to decide our final position in the division.
okay.
Let me tell you the viewers, in Fjord we have 2 teams, Fjord A and Fjord B. Fjord A is playing in 2nd division and Fjord B is playing in the 4th division, and this year we have the first time we made the Fjord B team, and they have been doing really good. They are in the 2nd position now, and they have the 2 matches left, and they have a high chances of winning the league. So Manish is from the B team. So Manish, could you please share your experience, how it been this season?
For the B team, it has been very good performance because we have almost won we have won almost 9 of the 11 matches yet. 2 more matches to play, but and the confidence is high. We have good bowlers, we have good batsmen, but we should also not forget that there are other teams which are equally good and can give us very nice competition. So I am expecting a very exciting match on Sunday, and with both the teams at the same level, and we will see if we can also cover that one and show it to our audience.
Yeah, good luck with your next match, Manish Kakarji, and good luck for Fjord also. And we have now, as you know, live action going on between Fjord A and Uppsal Cricket Club in Ekeberg, ground 1. We have 2 grounds in Ekeberg, and ground 1 is the place where the first match is, this match is going on. And it's the 6th over running, and
7th over.
7th over running, and the score is 38. 41 is the score. So let me update. I'm telling commentary and simultaneously I'm updating score on the screen. So you will get to see the score, updated score on the screen just now.
Score
41.
41, 6 overs.
7th over.
7th over, 41. 7 overs, 41.
So we have 41,
Paji, after
7
2
overs
karo.
for the loss of 1 wicket.
7 over हुए.
We may remind our viewers who are joining right now that the match has started on time, and the Uppsal team has won the toss, and
Yes.
they have started fielding, and one of the wickets from Fjord has fallen,
7 overs.
which is the most important.
Jafar Iqbal, continue again. From the city end, Jeet is on strike.
So, Ashish, what do you think today's conditions as respect to the bowling? Is the ball going to slide a lot, or is it because of the wetness in the grass?
This morning we checked in the pitch, and it was there is no water in the ground. I mean in the pitch, so there is no chance of skidding the ball. But there is a little bit breeze in the air. So because of that, we have seen the first 2 bowlers are drifting the ball quite nicely in the air.
And I think the spin bowlers are going to maybe have a
That is
tough
very
time.
good shot
Yeah,
towards the long on. That's a 4 runs. That's a very good shot from the Jeet.
yeah. Jeet is normally very good at lofted shots, and especially in the mid-on, mid-off areas. And sometimes he is also able to pull the shots very nicely in the in different parts of the field. So he's a very good player. Once again, as we all discussed recently, that the spin bowlers are going to have little difficult time today because of the wetness of the pitch. So I think maybe Uppsal will try to change their strategy now to introduce some of the seamers so that they can use the conditions of the field.
Yes.
And Raj, do you know how many players are inside? Are they taking power play right now?
Yes, the bowling power play is going on now.
Right.
So Jeet is taking full advantage of that.
Yeah, that is also important.
Very short
nice.
ball. He wanted to pull the ball, but he just misjudged it, but nevertheless it was a 4 runs. It was the third man.
Third match.
Yes. No, very better. We have Manish Kakar, Mr. Manish Kakar in the commentary box, and for the viewers, he can tell commentary in other different languages as well. So which are the languages you can speak, Mr. Manish Saab?
I can speak English, Hindi, and Punjabi.
English, Hindi, Punjabi.
Yeah,
So he's
so
quite
I'm going
famous
to-
for his Punjabi jokes on Fjord Circle. So he can crack little jokes. Not now, but later on, as Fjord let the Fjord go into a competitive, strong position, and then we will be in a lighter mood, and then he can crack some jokes.
Yeah. A lofted ball, defensive shot, very nicely placed. 50 up for Fjord team.
56.
And they are jubilating.
56. हाँ.
दो चीजें
मैं कर रहा था ना.
Amar Zaini is a very good player in the Fjord A team. He has been consistently doing very well, and he has been playing with a lot of concentration and consistently very responsibly. In most of the innings, we find that he's been scoring high scores, but not very rapid pace. But slowly and gradually, he builds the inning, and then in later stage, he strikes the ball quite well.
Junaid, okay.
So now,
Number 2 bowler
we have the number 2 bowler,
is Jeet.
Junaid,
Score पहले यहाँ पे लिख लो. अगर होता है तो मैं बोलता हूँ.
bowling from the
56.
bowling
So we
from
have,
the.
You have to tell about the commentary box. We have in the commentary box, camera is turned towards commentary box, and we have Ashish who is padded for the next batting in line, and this is Rashidi, scorer, commentator also, and we have Manish Kakasab who is on the right side, and who is another expert commentator we have. And the camera is turning towards the field now, and meanwhile 2 runs scored by the batsman. 2 runs. 1, 2. 2. जीत का ना? जुनेद 2. जीत करना है ना? ओके. हो गया, ओके.
अगर यहाँ ये ना ओवर है और मैं कंटिन्यू 0 पे डॉट बॉल 1 2 4.
Again, Jeet lifts the ball in the air, and this is his typical style of playing, but quite effective. And lofted shot in the
वाइड डालेगा ना तो माइनस तो
mid-on region.
यहाँ पे वाइड लिख देना. तो आप लिख सकते हो कि 56 था लास्ट ओवर में. मतलब इंटरव्यू 56 था.
56 था.
Nice over-pitched ball, which has been flicked away to the
फर्स्ट इधर डालता हूँ 1.
in the square leg region, and it is a very good combination of both the players, because Jeet is more of a striker, and Amar Zaini plays little slowly, so it will keep the bowlers actively thinking. A very nice pull shot towards the
6 ना?
square leg region, deep, and
6
is 6 runs.
6 runs, Junaid, 4 balls, and
I think the wetness of the pitch is helping the batsman, and today we are expecting to see a very good score by the Fjord team, and hopefully we will also see a good score from the Uppsala team as well. So it's a batting pitch today, and as the days goes by, we expect that the moisture will reduce, and then we will see some change in the ball and the seam. Full toss delivery, which was quite easily and utilized by Jeet. A straight drive towards the mid-off region, and 1 run taken.
and wide no ball होती इधर लिखा था.
ये वाइड से बाय लेग बाय नो बॉल्स.
Wide 5 कैसे है? Wide okay.
Again a full toss by Junaid, and it has been flicked off towards the mid-wicket region, and 2 runs scored.
अच्छा मैं तने एक चीज दसना है
ओवर हो गया ना उसका? हाँ ओके.
Over.
स्कोर है
कंट्रोल आया
16. तो बस इतना ही है.
नहीं और
Ito high. The bowler has been again changed. We are going to see the Umar Iqbal bowling from the commentator end. We are back again. Sorry for the interruption. There was some technical problem which our technical guru is fixed happily, and now the score is 71 for 1 wicket, and
Overs ninth over.
ninth over is going on, and
No,
now the 10th over will be bowled by.
No, 10th over is going on.
10th over is going on.
Yes.
And who is the bowler?
Bowler is Umar Iqbal is the bowler.
Umar Iqbal is going to come from the commentary end. Again, good length ball, which was played towards the mid-on region. And there was a bit confusion between the running between the wickets, but finally the players decided that they should take the run, and luckily they made the run.
Overthrows किधर run? Uh, 4 to 6. Yeah, but is it goes? This goes to the batsman. This is extra.
Yeah, it was hit by the bat.
After the bat, okay. So I'll give it to the G.
Now we have the next bowler from the forest end. Zafar Iqbal will be bowling the next over, and so it seems as if the Uppsal team is trying their variation. They are trying to vary the bowling line so that they can get a wicket, because in 10 overs, 11 overs now, 11th over is being bowled, and they have got only 1 wicket, so that if they get some early breakthroughs, they have a good chance of restricting a high score from Fjord. But for now, as it looks as if the Fjord is going to put on a very good score today. Again, straight drive in the cover region.
Who is the bowler?
Zafar Iqbal. Zafar Iqbal, the spin bowler. Uh, again, maybe off spin tried by Zafar Iqbal, and Jeet has lifted shaft in the mid off region for 4 runs. As we already discussed before, that Jeet is very good at lifted shots as well as pull shots. So any short pitch delivery or little delivery which is coming before the good length region, that is between 2 to 4 kilometers from the stumps, he's quite capable of lifting it off for 4 and 6. So the bowlers have to be a bit careful with Jeet's playing style. I think most probably the bowlers are trying to yoke him with his with their deliveries, but it looks as if that they are not successful as yet. 1 run taken, and Amar Zaini is on strike now.
Dara.
Again a short pitch delivery which has been nicely cut in the third man region, and 1 run taken.
2 runs.
2 runs taken. And we would like to update the score again now.
We have 81 for the loss of
81 runs.
and it's 11th over running.
11th over running, 81 runs and 1 wicket. Again a short pitch delivery, and well left by Amar Zaini. So
Go the bana cha. Score over wicket.
a leg side ball to Amar Zaini, and umpire declares it wide.
Wide extra mag.
Yeah. What do you think, Raj, the style of playing of Amar Zaini?
Amar Jaini plays very nicely, and I'm writing the score here as well. So
Okay.
I would like
Short
to
commentary, short.
Yeah,
Short
I'd like to
comment.
concentrate upon the updating the scorecard, and Manish ji can continue with the,
Okay,
the
okay.
commentary.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ये यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए हाँ पर यहाँ पे नहीं हो अपडेट नहीं हो रहा गो दबा
From the commentator end.
It's to camera.
Mm. Again a short pitch delivery which has been which has been slightly pushed to the mid wicket region. It was a bit risky run, but the players took a good start and managed to take the run.
Okay, one shot.
One shot. Okay. One shot. Okay.
इन्नो क्यों उन्नो?
Okay. One shot. Understood.
Again a full length ball which has been pushed again to the cover region, and Umar looks like a very good bowler, and he is using the seam of the ball very nicely and trying to use the conditions as well. And this has also looks as if the Umar is able to restrict is able to restrict the run rate, current run rate. Again, the batsman tried to play a lofted shot, but it didn't come nicely to the bat, and just almost like a lofted sweep attempt, but which turned into a sweep shot and towards the deep legs region.
Yes.
A slight push towards the point region, and they should give 1 run. We might just add here that there was an overthrow, and it was properly utilized by the Fjord players. We would like to just add that the format of cricket here is a bit different than the other international formats, because here we play for 30 overs, and a 250 or 200 between 220 and 250 is a very good defendable score here. So with the current rate of about 8, I think the Fjord is placed very nicely, and
Score is 90.
okay,
12 overs.
the update in the score is 90 for 12 overs
For the loss of 2 wickets.
for the loss of
1 wicket.
1 wicket.
90. 12
12.
overs.
Next ball.
Who is the next bowler?
Waheed is
The next bowler.
yeah.
Rahil Wahid.
Rahil. Okay.
Rahil. Yeah.
Rahil Masood है यार नाम.
Rahil Wahid लिख रहा है, ठीक है. Anyway.
Rahil
Wahid from Forest End.
Waheed from Forest End is going to again continue with the spin attack. I think now Upsal is trying to use this strategy that they are varying between seamers and spinners in order to confuse the batsman, and because I think they are not getting very much help from the pitch because of the wet conditions. But let's see how they have introduced now Waheed, who looks as if it's a leg spinner, and again a short pitch and ball towards the leg region, which is a juicy ball for Jeet,
Wide.
but he could not connect, and it was declared wide from the umpire.
Dead ball.
Dead ball.
Of course, that was the ball seems to have landed quite far from the pitch, and the
Really?
umpire decided to give it as a dead ball. Again, a short pitch ball lifted towards the mid wicket region, and it landed a bit short from the bowler from the fielder, and the batsmen were able to take 1 run. I think the Upsal is trying to give Jeet the opportunity to play risky shots so that they can take a catch, and a short pitch ball. Which was again Jeet tried to pull the ball, but unsuccessful. That was a lofted shot, and that was the main apparent. The fielder is trying, but he's not able to catch. But fortunately, he is able to stop the 4 runs. And the fielders are able. The runner, how many runs? Sorry.
Total 90.
No, how many runs they?
2 runs they
They were
scored.
able to make 2 runs. A very good sweep shot from the from Jeet towards the fine leg region, and there was no fielder around, so it went for 4. It seems that Wahid is trying to give a lofted delivery so that the batsman can miss the delivery and the ball can strike the stumps. But it seems that Jeet is able to play both lofted and short pitch deliveries quite well right now with the given conditions. So let's see what comes out, and again a wide should be declared wide, a wide ball towards the off outside the off stump, which I think the player should have left alone, because it could get very dangerous if you get a sneak there. So the Upsal is trying all the possible strategies in order to get a wicket. Again a very left-footed ball, which he plays very nicely for a square drive in the between the gap between the cover region and the gully region and the point region, and for 4. So Fjord is celebrating now for their 100 or the loss of 1 wicket at 13 overs has gone.
Yeah, 103.
Jeet is at
उसकी 50 के कहीं ऊपर हो गई
Okay, मानतेगा नहीं, पहले हो गई होगी.
we will just calculate and come back with the score of Jeet, individual scores, and there seems to be going on some discussion between the umpire
Jeet का 50 up, 50
कितना
plus.
total?
और जीत 50 up
65.
and Jeet has 50 up now, so he's celebrating. Very good innings by Jeet. His full name is Jitender Singh Randhawa. Actually, he's the captain of Fjord A, and as expected, he's playing a captain's inning. And with these conditions, it has been also favorable for Jeet's batting, and we see that Jeet has played a very sensible and responsible inning for Fjord A, given a very good start along with Amar Zaini, and again Umar is attacking now. They have introduced the seamer from the commentator.